So this is Shane again. We're landlords, if you don't know us, and we're about to walk into a house that tenants have been renting for the first time in over a year to see what kind of surprises we might have. Isn't it lovely? Isn't she amazing? Let's see what awaits behind that door. First off, it doesn't look like they've quite got all their stuff out yet, so they may come back for some more things, which is okay. It's almost the first. The smell's not bad. That's a good sign. Sometimes it's awful, isn't it, dear?
I'll check the refrigerator.
See what we have. Oh, wow. This
Good
is
job.
actually very good. This is not too bad at all. Well, not bad. Let's look under the sink, make sure they have been taking... Oh, man. Like, this is really good so far. I'm very optimistic about this house. How are you feeling so far, dear?
Pretty good.
Yeah, this is unusual. Most of the time it's a little worse than this. I guess I have to pull the string here. I guess the light bulbs are burned out. Okay, that's the thing I'll have to fix later. Let's see how the sunroom looks. This house is really cool. I love this big giant sunroom it has. A few items, but not too bad. Hopefully they'll come back and get the rest of this. Yard's a little bit grown up, but not bad. A few little brush. Nothing too major. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I am not going to complain about this so far. The hall lights work. Oh, got a light. This would be the master bedroom. It looks like they vacuumed, maybe even shampooed the carpets. Like, it doesn't smell bad. These people might be getting their whole deposit back. This is pretty good. Yeah. Thought I heard water dripping, but I don't see any problems. I love you, dear. Let's go look in the other bedrooms. I don't know what your market's like. Around here, this one's probably going to rent in the neighborhood of $1,500. If you're in California, you're like, holy shit, how can I move there? I know. Just talk to me. I'll help you. It's not hard. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Very nice home. Very good. I'm shocked, actually. These people have done great. They've been good tenants. I'm not that shocked, but still, even good tenants usually. This is the exception more than the rule. This is great. All right, cool. Yeah, these are some shelves. Like, just tore this paint, but this kind of stuff we can touch up pretty easy. I'm not too upset about that. Yeah, they did have a cat. Cats destroy mini blinds. Every time. Every time. That's part of your pet deposit right there. And we end up with, where a bed is setting or something against a wall. These kinds of things we expect. Another shelf, or probably a TV based on this, was hanging there. The living room had a train that went all the way around, which is definitely not still here, but it was kind of a cool feature. Hey babe, pose for me. Looks sexy, that backlighting. There you go. All in all, this is great. I really appreciate how well they've taken care of this house. And I can say it's abnormal. Here's a cool cabinet design. This is something you don't see very often, but all the pull-out shelving. I think that's a pretty cool feature.